Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are just doing a chatty get ready with me. I'm gonna do this eye makeup look. Let me give you a close-up. It's just this glittery cat eye look. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Natasha and I'm just like everyone else here. I'm just truly a beauty fanatic and I want to show a as realistic and true but still fun side of beauty. And so if that sounds like your cup of tea, maybe you can subscribe. I don't know. It's just a wild idea. Also, I'm a very small channel still.
Like I'm planning to become this big YouTuber. I'm gonna be so famous, I'm gonna be so successful.
That was not what I meant. I'm a very small channel and all the engagement is highly appreciated. That goes for all the small channels that you follow. Please always try to have it as a habit to support, like, give it a comment if you have a question, or just give it a heart. Like, give it a heart emoji if you like the content. It means the world. So that's all I wanted to say. Let's get into the chit-chatty video. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm not in a great mood today. Now you know. So for my liner, I'm gonna be using this Milani one. This is their Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not gonna walk you through like every step of me doing it because I have a tutorial of how I do my eyeliner and I'm gonna link it. Oh my god. Here. What else is new? Well, nothing is new because coronavirus. So we're all just stuck in our house, and so far I've been like kind of okay with it, I guess, because I'm a person who I don't need a lot of like social exchange. But today's one of those days where I'm really I feel a bit down. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, I'm gonna extend my wing. I am going to do quite a thick wing. I'm thinking maybe a little glitter can help today. Maybe a little glitter can help save the day. We're kind of almost there. I'm gonna extend this wing a little bit more. Okay, let's try to talk about something positive. Actually, I just had a great idea. So I did do like a Q&A yesterday on my Instagram. One of the questions is, do you believe in, I don't use any specific products, I just have good skin? So it depends on who you're asking about. If you're asking about regular people, like, yes, I definitely do have friends who have perfect skin and they don't do anything. If you're asking about influencers, also, I would say the same thing, because why would they not tell you what they're using? If they can sell a product, they will take any chance. Wait, actually, now that I think about it, and that situation would in that case be not just the fact that like people they're not very honest with what they really look like and what their skin really looks like, and like, to me, it's quite amazing that it's 2020 and we're still trying to portray ourselves as the most perfect that we can, or people use social media to portray themselves as perfect. I think that many influencers have bad skin, it's just that they don't show it. Anyways, what I wanted to say was, yes, there are definitely people who are like, no, my skin is just the way that it is, but I just don't think that their skin is that flawless. I do want you to know that I try my best to show as much of reality as possible. And once again, it's not because I think that I'm better than anybody else for doing it, it's just that that's just the type of content creator I want to be. That was a really long answer to that question. Next, the glitter that I will be going in with today is a Pixi collab with Miriam Maquillage. It's kind of like this black, golden, green glittery thing. And I'm just going to pick up some product with this angled Anastasia brush. And let's see how that works out. That actually looks very nice. Ooh. This one is, do you use Botox? I don't yet. Have I considered it? Absolutely. I have this new friend. Let's call him friend because we don't want to piss him off. Because he's kind of making a living situation on my forehead, and I haven't really given him a nickname yet because I've been like kind of hoping for the fact that he would disappear and never come back again, but it seems like he's here to stay. I don't think you can see him, but he is wrinkled. I have a little bit of a complicated relationship when it comes to fillers, Botox, cosmetic surgery, and I've done an entire video on why I find it problematic that so many people are doing it nowadays, especially people that are on social media and they're not really honest about it, and what consequences that have on people who follow them, which is basically in the entire world. Like, I don't know, for example, Kylie Jenner, what does she have, like 130 million followers? That is not the entire world per se, but that's a whole lot of people. And should I do like a inner corner cat eye thing with this, or will I up this entire look if I do that? Yeah, basically I haven't done anything yet, but I am considering it. Definitely. I am only human. And I think that like with a lot of my like insecurities, oh, this tickles. Like I've had them for so long. Like for example, my nose, my body shape, like they've been around for ages and I learned to love them. But this wrinkle is a very newly added one. Okay, I'm gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna use the Glossier Lashslick and an eyelash curler. Lo and behold. I don't know where my camera stopped filming, but it was somewhere midst mascara application where I totally did a whole entire rant on the problematics of the Kardashians, where I was just going to tell you about the fact that I'm watching season 18 of Keeping Up, and they have impeccable makeup. Nobody can lie about that. She has this makeup look that I want to do. And so I'm actually considering buying some KKW makeup, and that would go against a lot of my beliefs because I don't really want to support them. But I do want to try the makeup. I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner. This is the black core eyeliner from Hallberg. And I'm just gonna basically do my waterline because I want my eyes to pop. Does this look creepy?
No.
I bet it does. What do you think? I actually really like it. Let's do our skin. I'm gonna use, honestly, such a favorite foundation of mine this year. It's the Anastasia Luminous foundation. And I'm just gonna mix them and apply them with a damp booty blender. What else can we talk about? Maybe we can talk about people that I really enjoy following on YouTube. Raw Beauty Christie, you know who she is. She's a total celebrity, and if you follow me, you know who she is, basically, because she's this amazing OG person here that it's highly entertaining and very much like a role model for me on YouTube. I think that like you're drawn to people that you are a lot like on YouTube. So I mean, me and Raw Beauty Christie were basically sisters, you know. So anyways, we have so much in common. Like we're just twin souls. I love her. I'm running out of this foundation. I like medium coverage, light to medium coverage. What's it called? Natural to glowy finish. I'm not into the mattes. I am a dry crust. I'm into the glowy or like just the natural, what's it called? Semi-matte? No, just natural finish. So what are your best foundations? Okay, I think we're there with the coverage. Wow, I am one pale. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is the Milk bronzer. I think that they only have one shade, which if that is true, that is f***ing awful. Oh, matte bronzer, baked. I guess it's called baked, and I don't know how many they have. I'm a bad YouTuber. There was actually somebody who commented under one of my videos, like, it was one of the most annoying comments because like she was giving me constructive criticism or feedback while I was never asking for it. Anyways, it's interesting how people, you know, there's the trolls, there's the one who are like just saying mean shit. And like, yes, it can get to you, but like at the end of the day, you're like, okay, but that's just me. But then there's the ones who like justify their comments with like, but it's constructive feedback. Like, you're on the internet, you should be able to take that. Whereas like, no, I never asked for it. But anyways, what she said was, she was like, you talk way too much. I'm like, girl, that's the whole entire point of YouTube. I'm gonna go in with a blush from Tower 28. This has been my favorite lately. I f***ing love this blush. It's their Beach Please blush, and it's a cream blush. And I have been historically a Glossier cloud paint junkie. I still love them. They're still bomb. But I found a product that is so much easier to work with, and I think it's because it is a cream. Because the Glossier cloud paint, it's liquid and it kind of dries down to this matte-ish formula, whereas this is a cream and it doesn't completely dry down, not as quickly at least. So I just find that it's less prone to getting patchy on my skin. For some reason, that's the only issue I have with the cloud paints, is that they get patchy quite easy. I'm going to use my Champagne Rosé Luminizer from RMS. It's also a cream one. I'm a big RMS highlighter fan. I also love their Cover Up in a Pot. Actually, I'm thinking about buying one of those now. It's like one of the best foundation / base products I ever tried in my life. It makes my skin look truly flawless and like with like zero effort. I'm gonna try the Glossier lipstick in Like, and I don't think I will like it. No. But let's give it a go, shall we? No. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cabo. This is my like go-to pinky nude. There we go. That's a lot better. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, it's a bit more of a low energy level today. Can't always be. Know what I'm saying? If you did enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and peace out. See you in the next one.